Alright, well, took longer than expected, of course, like most things, but we got her in the shop and today is day one. Start tearing. This is a few things. It's my first body off restoration that I've ever done, but I've worked in trades for my whole adult life. There's a few things when you're tackling a big job that are key, especially if it's going to be strung out. Ziplocs. Bag all your bolts. And then Sharpies. Make sure you got plenty. Label these bags. Keep these bags in order from whence they came. So when you go to put something back together 6 months, a year down the road, you know where stuff is. So with that, let's take the battery off. So we don't wreck anything. And then we will start the tear down. Holy shit. We'll put that on really cinched her down. Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright. Battery's out. So another thing you're going to want to do when you're doing stuff to this extent, go and take a shit pile of pictures. And when you think you got enough pictures, take some more. Because sure as shit, the one thing you're going to need a picture of, you know, all this wiring, all the routing of your vacuum lines, all that kind of stuff, you know, sure as shit, if you don't have a picture, that's the one thing you're going to need a picture of, and you're going to spend hours and hours monkeying around trying to figure out what the hell you did. So there you go, there's a tip, pro tip, take lots of pictures. That's it for now, we'll catch you later. Alright, well, I'm about 6 hours in so far. All the dash ripped out, doors ripped apart. Didn't really find too much bad. A couple spots might need a little love in the floor here on this side. I did find on the driver's side a couple spots that are going to need to be welded out. I may just get a whole new floor pan. This here, there's a hole here. It's pretty rotten near where the foot switch for the high beams goes. Other than that though, it's pretty clean considering it's a 50-year-old truck. But yeah, well, until next time.